Hello everybody. In this video, we're just going to quickly go over how to express numbers as product of its prime factors. I know we went through this already in today's lesson, but we're going to go through this one more time. So we're going to take a look at the number 144, and there's a couple different ways that you can find this number as a product of its prime factors. So we have 144, so a couple different ways to do this. So what I'm going to do is take a look at it with the factor tree and also using the ladder. Either way would work. So we first of all think about the prime numbers that we have circled. What prime number can go into 144? So I think about 2 times 72. Over here, I write 2 here. I take 144 divided by 2. That's going to give me 72. Now, I have 72 again. A very basic way, basic number, think about what would go into 72 would be 2 because it's an even number. So I'll bring my 2 down here with my factor tree. And then we have 2 times 36. And for here, 2 can go into 72, which would give us 36. Remember, we want to keep using prime numbers as we go down this ladder and as we break down our numbers as well. Next one, 36. So 2 is prime, 2 is prime. We're going to take a look at number 36. 2 into 36, 18 times. Bring down my 2, because that's prime. Bring down my 2, because that's prime. And then 36 divided by 2, put my 2 there, gives me 18. Now, I need to break down my number 18 here. So I'm going to do 2 times 9. Bring down my 2. Bring down my 2. Bring down my 2. All right, 18 divided by 2 would give me 9. Again, whenever we're using this ladder, we just want to use prime numbers, and that's it. And you can look at the prime numbers that you circled there on the left side. Now we got to break down the number 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And whenever you come to the end here, and it's a prime number, those are all the prime factors of 144. We break down the 9 down here. And that's going to give me 3 times 3. So now we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So now you can see that 144 is expressed as a product of its prime factors. All of these numbers here are prime. All of these numbers here are prime. And you can see now that I've come to the bottom of my ladder here, I have a prime number, so that means I know I'm finished. I don't have any other number to break down after my factor tree, so I'm finished as well. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 gives me 144. So that is how you express a number as a product of its prime factors. Please let me know if you have any questions about this concept, and hopefully this video makes this concept a little clearer for you.